Festival time has commenced and yet again the ticket rates in most multiplexes and single screens have been hiked, and this time the prices are unbelievably high in some theatres. Do you think that this strategy employed every time a big budget film is about to release is justified? Do let us know. Moving over to your favorite show, Bollywood This Week. Catch the most happening events in this segment of Parties and Events. The iftar party held by Ekta Kapoor as part of Once Upon a Time in Mumbai Dobara promotions turned out to be one of the biggest star-studded events of the year.
जैसे मीडिया चाहती है कि अलग अलग चीज़ें करना चाहिए इंसान को, वैसे वैसे उसी हिसाब से अलग अलग चीज़ें का ट्रेंड निकलता है। तो एक नया किस्म का ट्रेंड है, जैसे ये विलन की एक रोमांटिक कहानी है, ये भी एक ट्रेंड है। तो उसी हिसाब से
इफ्तार पार्टी है, हमें तो कहीं इफ्तार पार्टी लगी नहीं।
तो अंदर है ना, आप अंदर आए नहीं।
देखिए, सबको प्रमोशन करना पड़ता है, सबने अपनी इफ्तारी तोड़ के पार्टी की है, so we have to work on everyone's schedule. It's a good thing that when you come and support of other industry members, I think it's quite cool. So I came here because Imran's a friend of mine and Ekta's a friend of mine.
The team of Krish 3 launched the trailer of their film at an impressive event.
मेरे बच्चे अभी 5 साल के हैं और 7 साल के हैं, और मेरा जो 7 साल का है रेहान, उसने प्रोमो देखा और कुछ नहीं बोला। तो मैं उसको देखता जा रहा हूँ और मैं उसको मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि रेहान, आप कुछ इंटेलिजेंट कुछ सोच में हो, आप ये क्या सोच रहे हो आप? क्वाइट, आई सेड yeah, he's not liked it, but I'm his daddy, he must have liked something. तो मैं उसे पूछते जा रहा हूँ. All he said was, Avengers and Krish 3 are my best.
If you get the tag as a sexy, the most sexy.
She is going to take it all away.
What?
See it.
If you get the
She's
tag
going to just
sexy.
take the cake.
Kangna, kuch bolo.
Well, I haven't been called sexy so far. So I would enjoy it if they call me sexy.
शक्तिमान की बात हो रही थी, तो क्रिश को टेलीविजन पर लाने की कुछ एनी प्लान्स?
यस, कोशिश करेंगे। जब तक मैं फिल्म बना सकता हूँ मैं बनाता रहूँगा। जब फिल्म नहीं बना पाऊँगा, पैसे नहीं होंगे, तो फिर टीवी पे आ जाऊँगा।
Sunny Leone, Sachin Joshi and Nasiruddin Shah shot for Kaizad Gustad's film Jackpot in Goa.
There's a lot of different looks. There's a look with Nasir sir, and then there's a look with Sachin sir. So we have two different types of roles. You don't know which side of the fence I'm playing. Everybody in this movie has a little bit of a negative role, but it's fun to play those types of roles. It's fun to play roles that are not you.
I'm playing a boss of a casino who is also a bit of a freak, who wears dreadlocks and carries a gun all the time. And it's a very over-the-top character.
Akshay Kumar, Sonakshi Sinha, Imran Khan and Ekta Kapoor raised laughs at the third trailer launch of their film Once Upon a Time in Mumbai Dobara.
एकता, हमने सुना है कि आपको इमरान और सोनाक्षी की केमिस्ट्री इतनी अच्छी लगी कि आपने उनको अपनी दूसरी फिल्म में भी साइन किया है। कितनी सच्चाई है इसके पीछे?
पूरी सच्चाई है। इनफैक्ट नेक्स्ट टाइम प्लानिंग टू बिन अडॉप्ट देम। इतनी पसंद आई इनकी केमिस्ट्री। इमरान कपूर, सोनाक्षी कपूर, मेरे दो बच्चे। No, we I want to sign them because they are looking so cute in the film. I want to make a film with Imran and Sonakshi and another film with me and Akshay sir.
अक्षय पहली बार आप विलन बन रहे हैं तो घर में क्या रिएक्शन था, फैमिली का क्या बोला कि
घर पे क्या रिएक्शन मतलब क्या होता है
सर? घर वालों ने
घर पे कोई नहीं दे डोंट बॉदर कि आप जो कर रहे हैं बाहर करके आ जाइए घर पे। तो पागल तो नहीं है तू?
नहीं सर, बहुत पहले का एक किस्सा था कि कादर खान साहब विलन बनते थे, फिर उनके बच्चों ने बोला नहीं डैड आप हीरो ही बना करें।
नहीं, हमारे घर में नहीं होता ऐसे।
Over to your favorite itsy bitsy interviews. Shah Rukh Khan talks highly of his latest film Chennai Express.
Stands for all that for me, it stands for just simple, innocent storytelling. And it's been a long time since I've done something like that. We get convoluted, we want to make edgy and different films, and they're fantastic on their own. But the simplicity and the innocence of Chennai Express is, I think, extremely appealing. And it kind of got me back in touch with my own innocence and simplicity.
Hrithik Roshan on the challenge of playing the character of Rohit in Krish 3.
It's humongous. It is, in fact, he's the hero of the film.
Okay.
Actually. So,
Okay, because he's the one who's just creating the entire...
everything trickles down from that character.
Right.
तो बहुत important था और भी important था और pressure कि that character had to be perfect.
Sunny Leone in Goa on her pleasurable experience of working with her jackpot director Kaizad Gustad.
He hasn't made a movie in a little while, and he's really easy to work with, and he's a director that stays calm the whole time.
Right.
I've never seen him yell.
Right.
It's nice.
It's goodbye time, folks, but we leave you with our concluding fun segment, the top 5 tweets of the week. Take a look. Bollywood Hungama News Network.